So I'm going to explain to you how something called compound interest works. Compound interest means every time I earn an interest, it goes on top of the previous interest I earned the year before, and it keeps building on top of itself and compounding. So here's an example. So let's say I invest $1,000, and over the next 6 years, I'm going to earn 10% interest, but it's going to be compounding. Here's what that looks like. The first year, I'm going to earn $100 in interest. That's going to make my total balance at the end of that year $1,100. Well, 10% of $1,100 is $110. So you notice in year one, I made $100. Year two, I made $110. Same interest rate, but now I have more money working for me. And I haven't added any more money to that account. The next year, my account goes up to $1,331. The year after that, $1,464. The year after that, $1,610. Notice how the interest I'm earning each year keeps going up. Even though the number, 10%, is still the same, as you have more money working for you, your interest builds up more and more and more. So much so that in order to double your money, it will only take you 7.2 years if you're earning 10%. Now 10% is just a random example I picked just to keep the math simple, but you can see how your money builds and grows even without adding more money to it, just to show the power of compound interest.